on to our next destination, and it is none other than Srinagar and Gulmarg. I have never been as excited as I am for these two places in a really long time. I'm looking forward to going and exploring every bit of the snowfall, the iconic beauty of Gulmarg that I've been told by multiple times. We've landed in Delhi. We're going to go and spend a night here and heading early next morning to Srinagar, which is the closest airport to Gulmarg. At the Srinagar airport, it is mandatory for all passengers to do a COVID test. It's a rapid COVID test. Another point to keep in mind when you're traveling here is that prepaid phones or SIMs do not work, so you have absolutely no reception. So either carry a postpaid mobile because that's the only thing that will work here. So that's something you must keep in mind while you're traveling here. We weren't aware of it, so our guide and driver was very kind to give us some hotspots, so that's how we've been sort of contacting people outside. Keep in mind that prepaid SIMs and mobiles don't function here. We just got out of the airport, hired a taxi and a prepaid taxi, and setting off to Gulmarg. Now you can do a lot of your bookings either at the counter in the airport, in the tourism counter, or you can go to the places and do it. For now, our plan is to head straight to Gulmarg, the heaven of India, and play and experience more than anything else, probably our first snowfall if we are lucky. So we'll see you there. We've just stopped by to pick up some jackets and these snow boots because what we bring is not sufficient to get going in the snow. And just look around me, this is stunning. I can't even begin to tell you how glad I am to make this decision to come here. It is fabulous. We are in the Gulmarg gondola and it's unlimited. The snow, you have a bunch of activities you can choose from: skiing, snowmobile. This is a playground in snow. About 9 minutes to get you up there. It's about 2.5 kilometers in 9 minutes, and honestly 2 eyes aren't enough to see the beauty that this place has to offer. They're just wide expanses of snow, trees, these pine trees and fir trees, and there's sun, and there's nothing like the mountain sun. It's really beautiful. I want you guys to see this. This is our, look at that.
ड्रॉप करेगा देन इंशाल्लाह और हम उसके बाद अपना स्कीइंग, स्लेचिंग, स्नोमोबाइल, you can done these things
Great.
if you want.
Great. So I read a board that said it's not recommended for people who have heart diseases or asthma because the oxygen levels up there is lesser. But honestly, this is not something anybody should miss. Like I said in the previous clip, that I will not stop grinning. I think throughout this episode, this place is magical. We've reached Kangdori. Like I said, you come here by cable car, and this is heaven on earth. Words fail me, and you really need to sort of see it to believe it. It's magical. This experience is magical. Just look at that. It's just snow for as far as your eyes can see. Eat something, ski a little bit, and then what I really want to do is take this cable car and go higher up to that point. We got some yummy Maggi, paneer tikka and soup and Kashmiri halwa. It's really nice and warm, and as you can see, it's pretty cold here. So we want to get something warm, and the food was excellent. We're sitting outdoor, enjoying the snow, enjoying the view. A great place to come here with family, friends or alone, and you have your guides who'll sit and chit chat and tell you like really nice and wonderful stories. And this is something you must do. What are the other places we can visit in Gulmarg?
Beta, as per my knowledge, we have 4 seasons here.
Okay.
This is winter. After this, it will come spring. Then summer. Then autumn. Then again winter. So we have one season of 3 months. So charms are different
Right.
in different seasons.
Right. So abhi right now we are in winter,
Yes, right now you are actually it start the spring now.
spring.
But as per new snowfall, we don't have any depend on the weather here. It can any time except July, month of July, it can any time snow here in the high ridges of the mountain.
What is this kava made of, sir?
These are dry fruits, with dry fruits.
Oh.